This is Hunter, and today we'll be looking at what's behind me. Let's go and have a look. So this is the route we're going to be taking up the hill, up the mountain. My problem is I've eaten so much sisig, Jollibee, longanisa. Oh, no photos. No photos, I'm afraid. Can't get the camera in. If you've seen my previous videos, you'll know that I need a San Miguel. What's the chances of finding a San Miguel machine here? This is Hunter, and today we'll be looking at what's behind me. Let's go and have a look. Lots of torii gates. Let's turn around and have a look. Today we're at Fushimi Inari Shrine, the ultimate torii gate experience. So we're going to go uphill here with literally thousands of these red torii gates. They're going to start off very close together and then get further and further apart the further we go up. I think this is a 2 to 3 hour walk. This is great. We're running just through the entrance and there's already all these little red gates and little mini shrines, I guess you'd call them. This is going to be a good walk, I can already tell. Obviously, this is the main shrine behind me. We're actually more interested today, actually, in the walk that we're going to be doing. So let's climb those 3 hours, probably 5 in my current condition, considering how much food I've eaten in the Philippines. We're going to go to the walk instead. Not quite going to go in the shrine. Okay, so it looks like you kind of wash your hands or something here. Let's give that a go, eh? Ooh. Oh, it does actually feel nice. It's quite a hot day. So this is the route we're going to be taking up the hill, up the mountain. My problem is I've eaten so much sisig, Jollibee, longanisa in the Philippines that I'm so fat. This is going to be a struggle. But if I can do it, so can you. Let's try it. I'm really looking forward to climbing up this track. I need the exercise. So it looks like this is the main shrine here. Oh, no photos. No photos, I'm afraid. Can't get the camera in. Okay, it's 10 a.m. It's already pretty busy, actually, around this area. That's why I really want to get into that walk, just going to get away from the tourists for a while, even though I am a tourist myself. But you know what I mean? Sometimes you just want to be swamped with all tourists around you. I'm going to go up that hill instead. I think the further I go up, the less people there'll be, until we get to the very top, when we'll be able to see the whole world. It is far nicer when the train people have gone. Here's a tip for you, wait for them to all go, give them about 10 minutes before the next train turns up, and then just walk along here and you have, obviously not people free, but at least a lot less people. Look at this. I wouldn't say it's red, it's kind of like glowing orange, isn't it? It's quite beautiful. And the further we go up, the less people there should be. All right, you know what I need right now? If you've seen my previous videos, you'll know that I need a San Miguel. What's the chances of finding a San Miguel machine here? Kids in Japan are so cute. All off for a day out, I guess, walking up this mountain. Okay, we're at another set. We're going to go into another set. Look at the forest around us as well. I do love these walks. Like the last one I did, remember that yellow trail in the Philippines? There was that one. Whoa. So between trains, it looks like this. And then once the train arrives, the army comes. Oh, we've got a few seconds there, not bad. Oh, it's so much better without the train people. It's so funny, it's gone quiet here, quiet-ish for peak time. I've realised what it is. When the train turns up, this is packed. Like everyone comes off the train, runs up here, fills the place, and then after a few moments, it goes nice and quiet until the next train turns up. Maybe we'll walk now while there's no train people. So if you're coming here and you want good footage, wait for the rush after the people have got off the train, and then come back. Then you can do your film footage. And of course, you're still not going to get that classic photo from the web where it's all gates and no people, but at least there'll be far less people, maybe to the point that AI will be able to help you erase them. Do your thing, Insta360. Baby metal, fox god. Okay, no San Miguel, but we do have Kirin and Asahi. Oh, yummy. Maybe that'll do, right? Finally, we get our magic shot with no train people. Yes, that's the trick. What I like is it's not just the main walk, you get these little sub-walks going off in all directions every now and again. So here we have these little shrines. Fantastic. It's going to be a 6-hour walk there and back. We're at a junction here. Looks like, I guess we keep going up here. Okay, so we're here, you are here. It then goes into a circle. So most people stop here because I'm super fit. I'm gonna go the whole way up. Did I say super fit? I meant super fat. Oh, that was it, super fat. Let's do it anyway. Oh, once you get past that point, and it goes into the circular route, most people disappear. So there aren't many people here now, and this is peak. What is it? Noon, 12 p.m. Very few people. So yeah, I think this is the best part so far. Once you get to the loop, oh, it's just the lovely forest. Look through that, look at that forest. Oh, unless there's any monkeys and bears, they'll tear you apart. I'm all on my own, there's no one here. This is the place to be. Forget everything else, just rush to the top, do the circular path. You still get those beautiful torii gates, but you don't get the people. Perfect, 10 out of 10. Come up to the circular path, just rush up here, ignore everything, ignore the shrines and all those kind of things. You can do those on the way down. Just get up here quickly, because there's no one around. I've got all this to myself. This is like peak time. Oh, this is my favorite part of all. So many of these stunning torii gates and just this redness, you're kind of like shrouded in this red haze. Oh, we're coming up to some fire now. We all like fire. What I adore about Japan is that wherever you are, there's always a vending machine, even at the top of a mountain. No San Miguel. Oh, no. Of course, see the shrines, absolutely amazing. Well, now I actually want to see the monkeys. Monkeys, where are you? Fox God, baby metal. Give me chocolate. So these are the inscriptions I was talking about. So I think these are the people's names who donated. That's mine, that's the one I donated. Cost me 100 peso. It's a mailman. He's literally just carried some post and box. Oh my gosh, look at that. Now that's a hero, I wouldn't like his job. Keeps you fit though. Amazing. Alrighty, I think I'm only 10 minutes away from the top. Pretty impressive for a fat bloke. Top of the mountain, we made it. I was hoping for some better views. Fox God, baby metal. I totally enjoy that walk up here. I love these kind of hikes, especially it's got that fresh air. Spring, so it's nice and fresh, not hot. It gets very hot in Kyoto, by the way, in summer, insanely hot. This is nice. This is quite awe-inspiring. All these little gates, all these little shrines, mini shrines I guess they are, aren't they? That's the one I donated. It's nice to get to the top of the mountain. It's not just nothing. It's all these little mini shrines that you can go and see. Well worth coming all the way to the top. We did it! We made it to the top! Booyah! So that was only about 2 hours in the end, 2 hours all up. Even me as a fat person can do it, so you can do it too. It's easy. 2 hours, that's all. These are the inscriptions I was talking about. So now we're heading back down, and you can see each of these is donated by someone, that's their name or company I assume, inscribed into each of the gates. The steps are quite slippery and small, so if you do come up to the top, just be careful coming on the way down. It really is a little bit slippery. Whoa!